100 misused words. 1. Affect verb versus affect noun. Incorrect. The effect of the cold weather my mood. Correct sentence. The cold weather affects my mood.
2. A lot versus a lot. Incorrect. I have a lot of work. Correct sentence. I have a lot of work. 3. Allusion versus allusion. Incorrect. He made an allusion to Shakespeare. Correct sentence. He made an allusion to Shakespeare. 4. Between versus among. Incorrect. Share this between the team members. Correct sentence. Share this among the team members. 5. Compliment versus compliment. Incorrect. That dress complements your shoes. Correct sentence. That dress complements your shoes. 6. Fewer versus less. Incorrect. There are less people at the event. Correct sentence. There are fewer people at the event. 7. Lie recline versus lay to place something. Incorrect. I'm going to lay down. Correct sentence. I'm going to lie down. 8. Farther versus further. Incorrect. I can't walk any further. Correct sentence. I can't walk any farther. 9. Disinterested versus uninterested. Incorrect. He was disinterested in the discussion. Correct sentence. He was uninterested in the discussion. 10. Imply versus infer. Incorrect. Are you inferring that I'm wrong? Correct sentence. Are you implying that I'm wrong?